Good morning, everyone. I am Sagi Prasanandi, and here are my teammates. We are from Team 2. Today, we are here to discuss about a role of youth in building a nation. Currently, youth plays a dominant role in building a nation. The government is also providing a lot of resources, like providing some hackathons and the ways that students can prove their capabilities and abilities in building and creating innovations. For example, government is providing resource like Smart India Hackathon, in which they will show some problem statement, and youth can participate and show their ability in the technology which they are good at. And I think every individual should work hard, because only the youth can build a proper nation, and technology can be enhanced through the continuous learning. So how do you think youth, not only youth but every individual, I think that every individual plays a dominant role, but youth has more capability of learning and showcasing their abilities, because they have a lot of energy and good mindset and young minds. So, what do you think about it?
Yeah, actually, based on your point, I agree with you. Youth will be future for Indians because India population is more of youth. So, when it comes to startups or entrepreneurships, the youth will be take a forward step. So they will participate in a very energetic way. So in such a way, when they are participating, they will get new opportunities to start their startups or to become an entrepreneur. So, and also when youth becomes an entrepreneur or starts a startup, there will be in very close way to get introduced to new technologies. So, where the youth will be used to more use of new technologies related. So, I thought youth will be very good in learning new technologies in order to achieve in the future. So, what about youth?
Yes, Shravani, I agree with you. Youth can only develop a new innovative ideas. Only youth can transform our country from developing to developed country. Their minds are so sharp, so they'll get new ideas. So then the government should take these ideas to implement and develop our country. So in order to develop, youth play a crucial role. So like she said, hackathon. These are some platforms which make youth to come up and implement some new projects. What do you think about it?
Yes, I agree with you. Young minds get fresh ideas, and they are they are very.
And yesterday I went to the Rotary Club of Youth Icon in Vijayanagram. In the different student youngsters are coming into the right. They give up the knowledge and everything, and they showing the talent for new coming generation, and that is.
Yes, Shami, I want to add a point to you. Actually, you spoke about entrepreneurship, right? Yes, I agree with you that every institution should also maintain a e-cell in their institute, because only then the students can come up and bring up their ideas, and sometimes these ideas leads to a great change in our country. So I agree with your point about the entrepreneurship.
Yeah, not only about the colleges or institutions, but also coming to the government. Newly, they are conducting some hackathons like SH, as you said, and also there is MEMC hackathon. I think now it's going on 4.0 something. So when it comes to there, there will be some projects which we have to build by ourselves. They will not give any problem statements or anything. So we have to submit our idea to them. So if they like it and they really want to develop it, they will be funding us about 15 to 20 lakhs. It's a huge amount, and also they encourage the youth especially, not the masters. I mean, not the professors who are having their PhD. Not everything, not everything. So they are supporting the students who are undergraduated. So it's very helpful to the youth, and also there will be an inspiration for the youth to participate in more of more such hackathons.
Youth are very vital for our country. We youth are playing very vital role for developing to developed country. Okay, thanks.
Finally, we think that the young minds can bring a lot of impact in our country. So every individual should work hard and should be responsibility to bring a change in our society and India. Thank you.
A very good morning to one and all. This is team two. Today's group discussion is a topic role of youth in building a nation.
Youth are the future because they are adaptable to this generation and they create a much awareness about technologies and for example initiating as a volunteer and creating their creating politics within them and influencing the society. What do you say?
In my perspective, the youth are a vital part of nation's development, and their role in nation building is very significant. And youth are energetic and enthusiastic. They have ability to learn and adapt to their environment. And the youth are the leaders of tomorrow, and their youthful minds can become builders and innovators and inventors. Youth can contribute to the economic prosperity of a nation, and the youth can contribute to the political stability of nation. So,
In economic growth, youth is playing key role. The, the youth people are educated. They are they are show their skills in economic growth. They starting business, and there are young people are starting business like small. They are small business like creating YouTube channels and starting part-time jobs. Work from home. Their economic growth are increasing in youth.
And also they are updated to this technology. uh, they know, and they have entrepreneurship qualities, and also it leads to new innovation and creates a modern society.
They are the citizens, which they are future leaders. They are trying to change from developing country to developed country, and change the technology from one onwards to upwards and onwards only. They are united like a nation, trying to develop the country. According to me, nowadays youth are the vital part of the national developments, and as well as youth decisions and their perspectives according to the nation to lead the national faster growth. In this way, the conferences and online meets, these type of things are growth to the nation. What is your point on it?
As you people have said, with help of youth, our nation will be developed. Nowadays, the youth have a useful thoughts and skills to develop our nation. Um, they can easily track the problems. And nowadays, the technology is also developing by help of youth only. If any problem occurs in our nation, easily the youth people are solving the problems, and they're giving clearance to the people. So, by building a best nation, the youth is also very important to build up our nation in a better way and to develop it.
And also they are open-minded and willing to makes the social growth of the nation. So uh, at last, youth plays a crucial role in building a nation. Thank you.
we are team 2 today to perform a group discussion on this topic to youth to build a nation. Youth are to become a decision makers and future leaders. They because they are bring lots of ideas, energy and innovation ideas. They
Youth can bring new solutions to solve the problems in society. They are innovative. Youth can adapt automatically to the new technology.
they can bridge the gap between tradition and modernity. And
First of all, every country needs the youth to building their nation, to develop their nation, to develop their country. Because youth are very energetic and enthusiastic, and they can ability to and adapt the environment of social services, and they can create a new ideas, and they can today the youth was partners to us, but in the future they are becoming leaders to our nation.
Basically, young people have the ability to construct a country, so we should offer them chances. They are the upcoming generation, and they possess a viewpoint that older generation might not have. And we should guide their energy and eagerness in a right direction
but
to assist their nation in growing and thriving.
If the young people come from the youth, if the young leaders come from the youth, they can know what the right, what the wrong. They are responsible to nation to build proper.
I feel the young people has to get more opportunities in every aspects like sports, arts and culture, and in social media. They has to have support from government and every organization to make the society proud. And not everyone is not everyone is supporting them, but they just disguising them. What do you think?
But in the present generation, the youth was very irresponsible to the development of their nation, because they are adapted to the mobiles and social network, and they also forget to build their nation, how to develop the country. It was a big problem to the country to develop their nation.
The youth can contribute the skills, ideas, and energy to improve and develop their country, and also they will be the better place to all. And they also participate in innovative ideas.
Finally, I conclude that youth has more ideas and play a major role to develop a nation, but in this generation, it was not going properly because of adapted to the social networks. Thank you.